I always encourage guidance counselors, especially if it's a repeat offender, to get in there and touch base with that child and try to maybe uncover some of the layers on the onion and figure out what might be going on. And it's a perfect opportunity because, let's face it, guidance people are busy. But if I have a child that's in ISI for half a day or a day, whatever the assignment might be, I have the flexibility to touch base with that kiddo whenever it fits into my schedule. If I'm an in-school intervention coordinator and I have a child who's a repeat offender, they're in there often. We can't just have you doing ISI all year long and it's not working. That's a red flag in our basic behavioral data system. So what happens in a school data system is if I am getting referred more and more, I'm getting documented more and more. At that point, it really needs to go to your student support team, your child study team, or that next level at tier 2, where we start to look at the function of your behavior. We start to dig a little deeper.